Good evening. Well, again, we had those stronger thunderstorms across a very small margin. 99.9% of the area dry tonight. Look at the coverage area. Again, most of us from Roanoke down to Danville into the New River Valley clear of any storms. We had very strong thunderstorms pushing in from Lynchburg all the way down into Appomattox, parts of Halifax, Charlotte counties as well. And of course, we had those cells that had tornado warnings on them for quite some time, producing what looked to be funnel clouds from a number of pictures that a bunch of our viewers have set in. We do have another complex of thunderstorms well off towards our west. We are quiet for the rest of tonight, but some of us mainly north of 460 will get in on some of these leftover scattered showers or thunderstorms. Not expecting any of those to be on the strong to severe side. Later tomorrow afternoon and evening, different story, as we'll be in another risk for some stronger thunderstorms. Tracking that for you again overnight. Again, a few light showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, mainly to the north of the area, mainly maybe clipping the highlands. But for the most part, those thunderstorms should stay off towards the north, even north of 460. Looking towards 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the afternoon into the early evening. Again, this is when another round of stronger thunderstorms could be possible. And again, we have a scattered variety, even a part of a complex of thunderstorms sliding on down. And you see that they're really lighting up again on the eastern side of the viewing area, mainly east of the Blue Ridge and pretty much in the same areas that got nailed tonight. And we'll take a look at the reason why in a couple of minutes here. Looking into Friday evening, so we're now into Friday evening. Another push of heavy rains. Not only do we have the severe threat to contend with tomorrow, once we get into Friday and the weekend, the chance for heavy rain going to be there for the potential for some flooding. In terms of the severe risks tomorrow, everyone has an opportunity to see severe weather. The best chance going to be west of I-81 tomorrow. All modes of severe weather are possible again to tomorrow. The tornado risk low, not zero, and it's because of the same reason of tonight. And again, we'll take a look at that in a second. In terms of the threats, lightning and wind are going to be cranked up again tomorrow. The hail threat going to be high, and any of those storms that try to rotate again, very similar to tonight. The heavy rain potential will be there, and again, the tornado threat, while on the low side, it is non-zero again. The reason for that, again, the difference in temperature. We have winds coming together. We have the front pretty much draped over Lynchburg and South Boston right now, and those storms fire right along it. Temperatures hanging out into the upper 60s and lower 70s. We're not moving much tonight. This is a better representation, tracking those temperatures heading into tomorrow. Watch what happens tomorrow. See the green and the reds butted up against each other again? That's representative of the cooler air to our north and east and the warmer air off towards the south and west. The dividing line pretty much over Lexington and Lynchburg. So Lynchburg, our temperatures may be on the cooler side of that boundary, doesn't push up. But this will be the focal point again for the strongest thunderstorms heading into tomorrow. Again, we're going to be in the warm sector for the most part. Temperatures heading back into the upper 70s, lower 80s. Again, the further east you are, the cooler you are going to be. Over the next several days, this is all the way through Saturday now. Look at this. A general 1 to 3 inches of rain is going to be possible with the thunderstorms forecast tomorrow, and then again on Friday, and then again on Saturday morning. So we are certainly watching for the flash flood and flood potential as we head into Mother's Day weekend. Tonight we are partly cloudy, still a stray thunderstorm possible. Most of that stuff out of here though. 60 tomorrow, or 60 on Friday I should say. Very hot tomorrow. Back to the mid 60s on Saturday, clearing things out though nicely for Mother's Day.